within Texas, I found this in other states, and perhaps, or maybe not, it's the case with Texas, is that agencies existed before data governance existed. So citizens, for example, if they go from one agency to another, need to, complete the information for each agency as opposed to one entry shared by multiple entries. Where does Texas fall on that? And do you see any trends that you're taking the state in or the state's going in?
Yeah, great question. Texas has put forth kind of a product, we call it Texas by Texas, and it's that digital interface for citizens. So we started out with a pilot program working with our Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation for some of their licensees that would allow them to be able to, opt in to the program to be able to access information regarding their continuing education credit requirements. Now we're expanding it, and we're looking at the Department of Motor Vehicles for vehicle registration. And we're looking at it working with the Department of Public Safety around driver license. This is one way to be able to, join siloed data areas. So if you're a citizen in Texas, that's one data silo of information. Let's say you have a fishing license. That's another agency, right?
Right.
Let's say that you used to work in Texas and you have a pension account. So that's another agency. So you're actually interfacing with 1, 2, 3, 5 different Texas agencies to conduct your normal business in life. Well, if you change addresses, you got to make sure that everybody understands what you're doing. The Texas by Texas program, in addition, and I'm using this as just kind of a generic example, it allows you to go in there and interface with your agency in a one-stop, single shop, at your convenience, using your device, your phone, so you can effectively make that change, and then it replicates across the multiple silos of data with agencies. So we really see this as kind of the next where we need to go with the digital interface with customers. And the individuals really want to be able to have that private sector experience with their government. And if we can, like with the Amazons and others of the world, we can go in there. So we're trying to be able to do that as well here in this program. And we had a very successful pilot, and now we're going to make it operational with some of the other agencies going forward. So we think this is certainly the opportunity of the future in interfacing with our constituents.
Well, right there, you provided the citizens of Texas with greater strategic value, reducing the friction in their lives. Another reason everyone to move to Texas is the reduction in your own data entry, managed by the state across multiple agencies.